Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this issue of Canon MAXIFY MB5140. So 5140 is what you can see, the model number. Yes, so it's a Canon. So what does that machine do is that it prints, but it doesn't print magenta and doesn't print yellow. So when you do the nozzle printout, you can see what it does. You can see there is no yellow, should be around here, but now you can see magenta also is crazy. So I'm gonna show you only the steps because I've done that already and it's working. So you can see the first step, I ran the cleanings and stuff, what I'm gonna show you if you don't know. Then I went to this stage, whereby this stage you can see at least the magenta line is a little bit thicker compared to this one. So the second magenta, it was created here, it was like not even seen. So the third one, yellow, started coming out. You can see, and magenta is solid, yellow is solid, and the second yellow is solid. So the fourth one also, you can see, also everything was fine. I did also do a little bit of more tests, and you can see the final test was proper. So I also tested colors, and it was a little bit crazy, but if I can show you how it went, you won't believe. So okay, so you can see here colors came out here, but before you can see there's a, I don't know if you can analyze this. Here you can see that yellow has some lines, you get me. Also here in this one there's some lines, but because of the camera you can't see. But then if we go to the second yellow, the final, you can see it's thick, solid, and crazily good. So that shows that the printer is fine. So after doing a couple of series of cleaning and stuff, you get me. So this is 100% fine. You can see yellow, first yellow with some lines in here. Then the solid yellow is the last good page. So right, that's good. So okay, well, that's fine. I'll show you what to run. Okay, this can be used as testimony. Okay, I'm fine. So what you gotta do is you gonna go to this menu, press home, then you're gonna scroll to your left until when you see a menu saying let's go, when you see setting or setup, you click on that word, setup. Then setup, you see maintenance. Then on maintenance, you're gonna start with the second one, which is cleaning this. After that, you do this the second one, which does deep cleaning. After that, you say auto head alignment, you do that. Also manual, all of these you're gonna do them. So but after doing all of these, then if it's gonna improve each and every time you run them, do it the second time, the third time, fourth time, all of them, running them up until you see your print should be fine. How do you test your print? Is by printing what? Print nozzle check. When you click there, then it's gonna show you also printing from your printer and your computer, yeah, and also making copies. So I'm gonna run this, click that, it's gonna say yes. It takes a couple of minutes, of which we're not going to do all, but you've seen what to do. Maybe you can wait for this and see. We work on a couple of printers, different brands, Ricoh, HP, Canon, and all of that. So there are many. So in most cases, we do some videos on how to fix some. All of those are. But one of the machines I would not recommend anybody to play with. If it gets messed up, just throw it, is this series. See that? It's the same like this one, same like this guy. So those ones are bad printers. Same like this. We have almost 5. Some of them, when they bring them here, we say no, we can't touch that. It's very difficult to win on that. So it takes time. Each and every step you're gonna run is gonna take time. But at least you've seen what I've done or what I'm doing. So I don't want to chow your time a lot. As long as you've seen what we've done, do the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So I'm saying all of those steps, do them like 2, 3, 4 times up until you see that your thing is fine. Because this one I've done it for almost 2 days. I could go and come back. You can see all of these copies are here. Or testing with this. See, they have some lines. You can see this one was the first one. It might be so bad. So then we went on this one. You get, because I got this from. You can see even the lines were broken. You can see. Can you see that? But then you can see how bad it was. Very bad. Also, this was bad. So you can see this was the first one, I think. Then we went to the second one. Then came up lighting up like this. Then until when I went to the base, you can see this. Then it's gonna tell you print nozzle. If you want, you can print, but I don't want. I can go to deep cleaning, which also takes more time. Get me? So after doing that, do the head alignment and all that. So once you've done that, everything is gonna be fine. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.